Financial literacy involves acquiring the skills and knowledge to make wise financial choices, which is vital for personal and professional growth and success. Achieving financial independence and freedom is a common aspiration for individuals seeking to enhance their lives. This means no longer relying on family, undesirable jobs, or organizations for financial support. Understanding the concept of financial confidence is equally important. Financial confidence, distinct from financial freedom, stems from one's belief in their ability to generate income. Many mistakenly perceive money as scarce and believe that increasing their earnings is impossible. However, the truth is that money is readily available, and individuals with the necessary skills and education can obtain it. Money works similarly to a game with its own set of rules. One might become the master of their financial path by understanding and sticking to these rules. In this video, I'll go through the 4 basic money rules that are the foundation for obtaining financial freedom, confidence, and knowledge. Remarkable levels of performance can be attained by embracing these simple concepts, exhibiting endurance, and cultivating a drive for success. The problem. It's amazing how knowledge is becoming more increasingly accessible, often at little to no cost. With a few simple Google searches, everything is at our fingertips. However, despite this abundance, over 90% of the population lacks financial literacy. Consider John as an example. He earns $1,700 per month after taxes but spends it on socializing and unnecessary expenses instead of saving or investing. Can you relate to John? Unfortunately, many people today lack financial literacy. However, almost anyone can achieve financial success with a few behavior modification and a wealth mindset. With the exception of those who inherit or win the lottery, rich individuals are not financially illiterate. Surprisingly, 70% of lottery winners go bankrupt within a few years. This emphasizes the importance of financial education. Even with significant wealth, making poor decisions can lead to financial loss. Acquiring financial knowledge is crucial for long-term success. Unfortunately, schools do not provide this education, so individuals must take their own initiative. Despite the easy accessibility of knowledge, people continue to overlook financial education. 2 main factors contribute to this lack of financial literacy, despite its affordability or even free availability. Reason 1. Conventional wisdom. Financial education is frequently overlooked in conventional knowledge, resulting in an imbalanced mentality that interferes with wealth attraction. Money myths such as money doesn't grow on trees limit financial growth. Debt is not intrinsically evil when managed properly, although it is frequently misrepresented owing to a lack of information. Instead, seek financial advice from qualified persons to better your financial situation. Break free from uneducated counsel and accelerate your advancement by listening to the wisdom of people who understand how to generate wealth. Reason 2. Comfort zone and self-esteem. The wealthy are convinced that confidence and self-esteem are crucial for creating riches. It is critical that you believe you deserve to be richer and happier. It is improbable that you will get wealthy unless you have this belief. Because your self-image is a self-fulfilling prophecy, imagine yourself as wealthy first. This self-assurance will allow you to venture outside of your comfort zone, which is essential. Many people are afraid of success, which hinders their success. Taking chances and stepping outside of your comfort zone is essential for success, such as securing a loan to start a business. Before getting into financial education, concentrate on your risk-taking and failure mindset. Confidence gives you the courage to take risks and thrive under pressure. Now that you are aware of these reasons, let's delve into the 4 rules for financial literacy in financial education. Rule number 1. Don't invest in what you don't understand. Investing is critical to growing your money. Recognizing that putting in time for someone else will not result in long-term wealth. You must embrace investing in order to actually succeed. While numerous investment opportunities are available, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and foreign exchange or FX, the most important investment is in yourself. Prioritize the development of your abilities and knowledge, particularly in financial education and company operations. Investing in your personal development is not an option but a need. It is critical to stay current on industry trends and breakthroughs in order to avoid falling behind in your area. Continuous learning and adaptability are essential for success in your sector and chosen niche. It is critical that one remains knowledgeable in order to succeed. When you own or start a business, you must invest in areas such as marketing, research, and product development. Real estate investing entails purchasing inexpensive assets and then reselling them for a profit after increasing their worth. Stocks provide ownership in public corporations as well as percentage of their profits, but extensive study is required owing to the dangers involved. Be wary of false information and fraud and seek advice from industry experts. Rule number 2. Debt is a powerful but deadly weapon. Debt's underrated power can be a contentious issue. Those who know how to use it successfully are going to prosper, while those who are afraid of it will miss out on possibilities. Debt can be classified as either good or bad. Debts that cannot be repaid, such as hefty student debts, can devastate people's financial lives, are referred to as bad debt. It is critical to take prudence and avoid incurring debt without first contemplating the ramifications, especially for young people making major financial decisions. Good debt, on the other hand, is when you are certain of your ability to repay it or have a clear strategy in place to do so, and it has the potential to build wealth. Taking on debt effectively, such as securing a loan to establish a business, may serve as a tool for attaining wealth. If completed properly, you will be able to pay off your debt and have the opportunity to build your business while managing your financial commitments appropriately. Rule number 3. Think rich. Adopting an affluent mindset entails visualizing oneself as wealthy and acting accordingly. This could entail living a lifestyle that exceeds your existing financial capabilities. The concept of living below your means, which is frequently promoted by financial professionals, is generally solid advice because it helps prevent financial difficulties. However, it is critical to manage your money with discipline and intelligence. It's critical to spend money on items that increase your confidence and well-being. Will foregoing a couple Starbucks coffees really make you a millionaire? Rather than focusing exclusively on living frugally and conserving little sums, try learning new talents that might generate revenue and support the lifestyle you desire. This straightforward method can have a significant impact on your mentality, allowing you to recognize opportunities and paths for financial progress. Rule number 4. Developing skills to acquire assets. Assets are resources that provide money, but liabilities are resources that deplete your funds. Your brain is your most valuable asset, and you have the ability to increase its value. High-demand skills share two characteristics in the marketplace. They add tremendous value and generate significant earnings. Rather than working for others, concentrate on acquiring talents that will allow you to produce cash by providing valuable results to the market. Find the abilities that complement your strengths and start honing your first high-income skill. This will allow you to acquire new assets and continue to expand your wealth. In the end, the 4 rules for financial literacy in financial education create a solid foundation for achieving financial success. By accepting these ideas, you arm yourself with the knowledge and mindset required to negotiate the difficult world of money. Remember that investing in yourself is the first step toward wealth building. Stay informed and up to speed on essential information. Take opportunities to invest in your business for growth. Investigate the potential of real estate and equities, and be cautious and discerning in your financial decisions. By following these standards and always extending your financial education, you create the root for a happier and more prosperous future. Begin adopting these concepts today to begin your journey to financial independence. That's it for today's video. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.